In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your video to Google Drive and seamlessly embed it in WordPress. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to share videos on their website without hosting them directly on their server. Let's dive right in and make sure that your video is not only uploaded but also optimized for sharing on your WordPress site. First, we need to get your video onto Google Drive. Begin by opening Google Drive in your web browser. On the left side, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button and a menu will appear. From the options, click File Upload. A dialog box will open, allowing you to browse through your files, navigate to where your video is stored, select it, and then click Open. Your file will immediately start uploading. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, this might take a few minutes. Keep an eye on the progress bar to ensure the upload is complete before moving on to the next step. With your video now securely uploaded to Google Drive, it's time to make it shareable. Locate your video file in Google Drive, right-click on it, and select Get Link from the context menu. A window will appear with a link sharing option. You'll need to change the link settings to anyone with the link and make sure the role is set to viewer. This ensures that anyone with the link can watch the video but cannot make changes to it. Once you've adjusted the settings, click Copy Link to save the link to your clipboard. This link is crucial for the next steps. Next up, let's obtain the embed code. Double-click on your video within Google Drive to open it. In the top right corner, click on the three dots, commonly referred to as More Actions. Select Open in New Window to launch your video in a standalone window. Again, click on the three dots in the new window and this time choose Embed Item. A box will appear with the iframe embed code. Make sure to copy this code as it will enable you to integrate your video into WordPress seamlessly. Now we're ready to embed your video in WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you intend to display your video. This part can vary slightly depending on your setup, but you generally need to switch to the HTML code editor. If you're using Gutenberg, you can achieve this by adding a custom HTML block. Once in the correct editor mode, paste the iframe code you copied from Google Drive. After pasting, make sure to update or publish the page so the changes take effect. Finally, it's time to test everything out. Visit the page on your WordPress site where you embedded the video. You should see your Google Drive hosted video ready to play right there on your website. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded and embedded your video using Google Drive and WordPress. This method is a great way to manage video content efficiently, so enjoy sharing your video with your audience.